What if I told you there's a tool out there that can make your life as a project manager, or even just a busy individual, a whole lot easier? A tool that can help you organize, prioritize, and track your tasks in a way that's both efficient and enjoyable? You might be thinking, yeah, right, another productivity tool. But trust me, Asana is different. It's more than just a to-do list. It's a powerful platform that can streamline your workflow and help you achieve your goals. Before we dive into the 2 key qualities of Asana, let's take a step back and understand why it's so popular. Asana has gained a massive following due to its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and seamless integration with other tools. One of the primary reasons for its popularity is its flexibility. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small team, or part of a large corporation, Asana can adapt to your specific needs. It offers a variety of features, including task management, project planning, and team collaboration, all in one place. Quality 1. Organization and prioritization. The first key quality of Asana is its ability to help you organize and prioritize your tasks effectively. With Asana, you can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in one place. This helps you stay on top of your workload and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. One of the most powerful features in Asana is the ability to create custom workflows. This means you can tailor the platform to fit your specific processes and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page. Whether you're following Agile, Waterfall, or a hybrid methodology, Asana can accommodate your needs. Additionally, Asana offers a variety of features to help you prioritize your tasks. You can use tags, labels, and custom fields to categorize your tasks and identify the most important ones. This helps you focus your efforts on what matters most and avoid getting overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list. Quality 2. Collaboration and communication. The second key quality of Asana is its ability to facilitate collaboration and communication within your team. Asana's platform makes it easy for team members to share information, discuss tasks, and stay updated on project progress. One of the most valuable features for collaboration is the ability to create conversations directly within tasks. This means you can discuss specific details, ask questions, and provide feedback without leaving the platform. This helps to keep everyone in the loop and ensures that everyone is working towards the same goals. Additionally, Asana offers a variety of features to help you manage your team's workload. You can assign tasks to team members, track their progress, and provide feedback on their performance. This helps to ensure that everyone is contributing their fair share and that the project is moving forward smoothly. Asana also integrates seamlessly with other communication tools, such as email and chat apps. This means you can easily share project updates and collaborate with team members who may not be using Asana directly. So there you have it. Asana is a powerful tool that can help you organize, prioritize, and collaborate more effectively. Its 2 key qualities, organization and prioritization, and collaboration and communication, make it a valuable asset for individuals and teams alike. Whether you're a project manager, a student, or simply someone who wants to get more done, Asana can help you streamline your workflow and achieve your goals. So, why not give it a try and see how it can transform your productivity? With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.